Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to see from class 10 chapter 3 pair of linear equations into variables. We are studying exercise 3.5 question 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. This I have already explained to you in the first part when we did. In this video we are going to see the second part of it. So let's see the second part of the sum. A fraction becomes 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So whenever we are asked find, we have to let that be x or y. So here we are asked to find the fraction. So we have to find the fraction. So that fraction we will let it as x upon y, because we don't know what is a numerator, what is the denominator. So we don't know the fraction. So we let them as x upon y. So now a fraction becomes 1 upon 3 when in the numerator when you subtract 1. So 1 if you subtract from this fraction, no, we have to find the fraction, that is x upon y. In that numerator, if you subtract 1, that will be equal to 1 upon 3. And if you add 8 in the denominator, in subtracted from numerator, it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So in the denominator, when you add 8, then that becomes equal to 1 upon 4. So we have to make this equation. So since we have to find out the fraction, we write let the fraction be x upon y. So now the question is, we have to make the equations now. A question is, so that fraction, whatever is the fraction, we don't know. In that fraction, if 1 is added to the numerator, so subtracted, when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, 1 is subtracted from the numerator, then it becomes 1 upon 3. And another one was, if in that numerator, in that fraction, if 8 is added to the denominator. Okay, here the first one was, if 1 is subtracted from the numerator, it becomes 1 upon 3. And the second line was, in the fraction to the denominator, if 8 is added, then it becomes 1 upon 4. So now from here we will make the proper equation. So let's cross multiply. Here also we'll do the same. So y goes that side and 3 comes to this side. Okay, so x minus 1 remains here. With 3 we will multiply. So equal to 1 remains here only. This is in division. When it goes this side, becomes multiplication. So let's multiply now. 3x minus 3. Here 1 into y will give us y. So let's convert this properly. We'll bring the variable to one side. 3x, this is plus y. When it comes here, minus y. Minus 3 when it goes that side becomes plus 3. This becomes our proper equation 1. So same way here we'll do cross multiply. So x remains here only. When 4 comes this side, becomes into multiplication. And 1 remains here only. When this goes this side, goes to multiplication. So let's multiply. This will become 4x. 1 into y will be y. Plus 1 into 8 will be 8. So let's bring the variable one side. 4x, y comes this side, becomes minus. This 8 remains here. So this becomes our equation 2. So now look at these equations. We'll see which method to use. We have to find the solution now. So which method will be better for this? There are 3 methods are there. Algebraic method, that is substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. But here I am going to use elimination method, because you see the coefficient of y here and here is the same. I'll write down here properly. 3x minus y equal to 3 is equation 1. 4x minus y equal to 8, equation 2. So you look at this equation. So both this y is same, coefficient is same. So to eliminate is easy for us. So we will go for elimination method. But you can do whichever method you are comfortable with. So by elimination method, we'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So from equation 2 we will subtract 1. So we'll write the equation 2 first because that is biggest one. So 3x minus y equal to 3. So now we are going to subtract. So to subtract we have to change the sign because both are in minus. Since both are in minus we have to change the sign. So this becomes minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. So now this gets eliminated. So now we'll have 4x minus 3x will give us x. 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So we got the x value. So now put this value, put x equal to 5 in equation, any equation you can put it. So equation 1 is 3x minus y equal to 3. So in that x value we will put it, x is 5. So 3 5s are 15 minus y equal to 3. And let's keep this y here only because we have to find out the y value. So this plus 15 when it comes here becomes minus 15. So we will have minus y equal to minus 12 because from 15 you subtract 3 will get 12, but biggest number is minus, so we'll put it minus. Now both are in minus, so minus minus gets cancelled. So y equal to 12. So we found the x value and y value. So that is what actually, it is actually the fraction. So fraction is x upon y. So our x is what? 5 and y is 12. Hence the fraction is x is 5, right? 5 upon 12. This is our answer. That's it. Thank you. God bless.